to reunite with their pet after 4 months of searching. A dog named Buddy went missing after its owner had a heart attack. Kind people found the dog using surveillance cameras 1.5 miles from the house and brought it back to the owner, who did not expect to see Buddy ever again.
Just tell him I thank you from the bottom of my
This goose missed the girl so much that it left a few bruises. But that's nothing compared to how much joy it brought her. Nobody has ever greeted this girl quite like this. And here's how monkeys greet the woman who saved their lives. Animals are always ready to give a hug to someone they love, whether it's a donkey or a parrot. This girl saved piglets back when they were newborn and took care of them until they grew up. And this is how much they adore her now. And this is the most affectionate flamingo in the world. Sea lions are undoubtedly very cute, but it's essential to remember that they are wild animals that don't usually interact with humans. So it's amazing to see how much they rejoice in meeting a diver and playing with him.